Do you have exam tomorrow and you have to learn Ansys real quick but you have no clue where to start? Or would you like to see how this bracket behaves under static loads? Well, in any case, you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Blaž Kurent and this is very short video series tutorial on Ansys for absolute beginners. So let's not waste time and just dive into it. Hopefully you have already installed the latest Ansys version. I'm using 2021 R1 and today we'll be using Workbench. So let's see what we get when we open it. I will assume you're familiar with the concept of menu bar on top. Also, I'm sure you have already mastered icons, new file, open, save, save as, so let's not explain those. A little bit less obvious is that there is a tab bar, because for now you can only see one tab, Project tab. Already in the next video we'll be working with another tab called Engineering Data. Below a tab there is a tab toolbar which will change when you switch tabs. We'll not go into that now. Also, let's just mention that there is a status bar at the bottom. Now, let's see the main part. When you have opened Project tab, you see Project Schematic. This is where you will manage your projects by adding building blocks. They are called systems. Some examples of systems are engineering data, geometry, model analysis, topology optimization, or the one that we'll use today, static structural. You can search for all the available tools in the toolbox on the left. Now, each system might contain one or more cells. These are basically sequential steps that you will need to make to complete your analysis. And for each of the cells, there are certain properties that you can set in the pane on the right. At the moment, not really important. You might have noticed that there are different icons in each cell, like a question mark, lightning bolt, green tick, or others. We'll cover what they mean in the later tutorial series, but for now let's just say that they tell you the state of each cell. Obviously we expect green ticks on all the cells when we complete the analysis. One thing that is convenient about the project schematic is that you can transfer data between systems in a flowchart-like diagram, like this one, or this one. You can also manage input parameters and output parameters, or run optimization. We'll cover this in later tutorial series, but for now let's stick to only one building block. So, shall we? Let's start by adding a static structural analysis to the project. How do we do that? Well, it's as simple as dragging and dropping the right tool from the toolbox to the project schematic. Now we can also rename this analysis. Just double click on its title and let's name it My First Analysis. Well, your first analysis is all set and the idea is to go step by step over each cell. And in the next video you will learn how to define material properties in engineering data cell. So, let's go to the next video. Was this video helpful? Hit that like button. Do you have any questions? Write down the comments. And if you wish to be notified when new videos come out, subscribe.